Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Good afternoon everyone. Happy Tuesday. I need to pick up the kids in school today. So ready? Ready? Dark. It's not yet even 5 o'clock.
Right, Mom? Yes. Do you like your clothes?